Next up are these master padlocks with the combinations on. Only small basic locks, luggage locks. Most people just cut the shackle. Obviously they don't shimmer or anything like that. They come in all different colours, but the principle's the same on them all. A bit old school really. Just apply plenty of pressure to the shackle, turn the dials. That one feels locked already. Turn the next one, keep turning until you hear a click. I'm going to bring this closer to the camera so hopefully you can hear the click. Hear that? Yeah, little click as it clicks into place. And the same with that one, and there you go. It's an old technique, it's been around for years. Everyone just pulling on the shackles of combination locks, but on the cheaper ones like this it still works today.